I worked here for about a year and a half as a normal production associate out on the floor. I was looking to get married. I'd been with my girlfriend for a while, and I started having to say, hey, I got to make some more money. But I also wanted to do something that I enjoyed, and so I thought, this technical program is a good mix of using your head a little and also being able to work with your hands. And Northeast was a good program, had the apprenticeship program already established, which was something we were looking for. And one day I saw they had a job bid up for it, and I kind of got tired of running production, so I said, might as well give it a shot. And it don't cost us a dime. All we have to do is just show up, make our grades, apply ourselves, come here, put the work in, and if you do that, you'll finish with your degree and journeyman certificate at the end. You're not gonna, destroy yourself financially. A lot of people are scared for the money aspect of it, but if you can get into one of these apprenticeship programs, and they're starting to pop up a lot, you're getting paid while you go, and they pay for your school, so the money commitment isn't there anymore. I don't think most people get this kind of opportunity, so I've been able to learn a lot of different skills. When I have these great guys back here that can sit there and say, this is how you do this, and that gives me the opportunity to get headed in the right direction, and then it stacks and stacks, and by the end you have a really, really good skill set. Mostly I'm doing programming and machining for the tool and die department. So I'm doing wire ADM, CNC mill, manual lathe, grinding, things like that. Right now there's a large skills gap in the workforce, so if you have 4 years of experience in something and you've actually applied yourself and learned, then you're not going to have any issues finding employment, because someone's going to come looking for you. I grew up not with a lot of money. Neither one of my parents graduated high school, so I was the first person in my immediate family to graduate high school or go to college. And now I own my own home. I'm married and have a daughter, and my wife doesn't have to work, so it's been great.